This somatic movement flow is designed to help release tension of the neck, shoulders, and back. From a seated position, place your right hand on your left knee and your left hand behind you on the floor. And now turning to the left slowly, and just notice when your body wants to stop naturally without pain or strain, and then put an imaginary dot somewhere on the wall or piece of furniture that you can remember, because we're going to have a post check after the flow. Keep your hands exactly where they are, but come out of the twist by tucking your pelvis under and bring both shoulders forward. So the back body's like a large C shape, and bring your chin to the chest. Release muscular effort in the neck. And then from the pelvis, initiate movement by tipping your pelvis forward. And then mindfully coming up one vertebrae at a time, and then twisting to the left. Bring the left shoulder blade back and the right shoulder blade back towards the spine. Just notice how this body shape creates muscular effort in the back body, and then slowly disengage those same muscles by tilting the pelvis under, both shoulder blades forward towards the chest, and the chin comes to the chest. So feel this body shape where the muscles in front are shorter and longer in the back. Then one more repetition, starting from the pelvis. Rock your hips forward, stacking, lifting each vertebra. Squeeze the shoulder blades back towards the spine. Pick another body shape, a creative way to sit up tall. Hopefully it feels good in your soma, whatever shape you take. And then unwind mindfully. This is the last repetition. Just slow and smooth. Release the muscles of the back body and pause. And then let's come up slow and smooth. We're going to move into the post check. So turn over to the left. So twist to the left. Look over your left shoulder and notice if your range of motion has increased. Mine has by about 10 or 15%. How about you? Okay, let's do the other side. So if your legs have been crossed, then please uncross them and bring the other leg in front. And then placing your left hand on the right knee, right hand behind you, we're going to come into pre-check. So sitting up nice and tall, turn to the right, being kind with your body, and just listen to where your body wants to stop. Place an imaginary dot somewhere past your right shoulder. Remember that spot. Keep your hands where they are and unwind from the twist. And as you unwind, you're going to lean back by bringing your chin to your chest, tucking your pelvis, and both shoulder blades come forward. Tilting the pelvis forward, come up one vertebrae at a time. I like to really sense and feel how the muscles engage to create this beautiful body shape. So when you're sitting nice and tall, bring your right shoulder blade back, your left shoulder blade back. The head can stay centered over the chest. Sense and feel, and then make the conscious choice to disengage the back muscles by bringing your shoulder blades forward, tucking the pelvis under, chin to chest. Last repetition. Let's come up, slow and smooth, and twist, spiral to the right. Find a new body shape. So what I mean is maybe you tuck your shoulder blade different on one side. Maybe you bring an arch to your back slightly differently. It's great to keep your brain alert to these changes, these conscious choices. And then coming out, last time, just releasing the muscles in the back body, engaging the muscles in the front body a little bit so you can bring your ribs down to the hips. Release the weight of the head and the shoulders forward. And then we'll come up mindfully, stacking, lifting, sitting up nice and tall for the post check. Turn to the right, look over your right shoulder and notice if you've increased your range of motion. Awesome. Come out of the twist. I hope you experienced a change, which would mean that you increased your flexibility and mobility of the spine. Bring your legs out for a brief integration by pointing and flexing the feet. Maybe draw circles with the feet. Wiggle the shoulders. This is from sitting for that length of time to bring some energy back to the legs and the feet. And then bend the knees. And we'll finish together sitting upright with the palms facing up on top of the knees for a Soma Scan. So by closing your eyes, let's take a cleansing breath together. Inhale through the nose. Audible sound, exhale. So even though we're sitting upright, you can soften your face, your jaw, your shoulders, belly. Draw your attention inward and notice how you feel on the level of sensation. For example, I feel my feet and ankles touching the floor. There's a strong sensation there. A little bit of tingling in the fingertips and an overall sense of softness. So how about you? How do you feel? Blink your eyes open. I would love to hear from you in the comments if you had whatever experience you had within. I would love to hear how it felt. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and of course always subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to sharing more practices with you soon.